Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, this is another video tutorial which the extension from my previous video tutorial. Before this, we had looked up on login, session and middleware. So in this video, we will check on the CRUD for the admin. So what is CRUD? CRUD is the stand of create, read, update and delete. Alright, so this is our selamat datang page, which before this kita pernah create login link. So bila kita klik login link ni, kita akan redirect to login page. So this is our login page. Okay, my system is about cyber cafe reservation system. So firstly, we are going to input the admin username and also the password. Alright, okay. So we are going to redirect to the admin page. So this is admin page for the cyber cafe reservation system. So kat atas ni ada navigation bar. So this is the admin page home button. So bila kita klik, tak akan redirect to the same page. And then before this kita pernah buat, admin boleh pergi ke user page. So bila kita klik, tak akan redirect to user page. Alright, so this is the user cyber cafe reservation system. And then kita akan get back to admin page. So kat atas ni kita boleh tengok admin boleh manage user, boleh manage items and manage booking. So kita akan tengok manage user. So manage user ni sama juga admin manage CRUD. Okay, admin boleh create, boleh view, okay, boleh read and then boleh edit and delete. So same juga kita tengok dekat manage items. So, kita akan lebih detail dekat manage items. So admin boleh view the item details, okay, PC name, description and the action which it can edit and also delete. Alright, so first kita akan search dulu item details. So kita contohnya kita search Asus 1, 2, 3, 5. Alright, so kita dah boleh search apa yang kita nak. Contohnya kita search Asus 1, 2, 3, 5. Alright, and then kita akan insert new item, which kita boleh create new item. Alright. So for example, input HP 1 to 5 and then PC number 3. Alright, and then white color. Printing service only. Alright, so we're going to add a new item, and then here the new item that had been inserted. Alright, then kita can edit. Okay, so admin can update the item. For example, I update HP 1 to 4 and PC number 3 black color. Alright, then save. Okay, and then so HP 1 to 4 black color, done, update. And also we can delete. For example, I'm going to delete this one. Alright, so there's data is deleted. And then alright, that's all. So that's all. Thank you. Alright, so now me nak tunjuk some of codings on how CRUD is implemented. Alright, so this is controller admin.php. Okay, dalam controller admin.php, how me create CRUD. So first, public function list item, which mean akan retrieve all the data in the database item, and then search item untuk function search, and then add item untuk function insert, and then public function edit details for edit or updates, and then public function delete item. So this is item.plate.php. So dekat sini kita akan buat hash raffling for edit and delete, and this is how search button is created, and this is how hash ref insert new item